amanfo where am so for me dey kwaku me no bet my friend Bob Siga 111666 I love you I kiss you hey we be test when a Moscow scan time and gragaga aggressive talk. I'm come to talk to you. I'm come to say something to you. I'm come to tell truth to you. And then come on, me be no me pacho. And yet me be kasafa, Reverend Obofo, and an angel Obini. And who come on, me no be di ne. Na me pacho, and come away and come be as a kaya. Me di kana mo Canada. Tama sa kwade any Shatawale case by. You be start you said that kasa wo ho our aggressive talk. When they say any bullet asem by na mo Canada ya aggressive talk ho asem. Listen to me and listen to me carefully. This program I can't stop again. I will continue repeat. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about truth for aggressive talk. This is the new program. I'll give it to you. Listen. And then come on, me bedinu. And your Obofo, Reverend Obofo, and an angel Obini. Now, a brave atwam. Me ka wo su bempa. Any Emmanuel Bedu ko bi asem. See a kagwan ha mo pressure abeto obi aso. I will remember you that case. Go back and check my page. Kwaku Menu TV. Go and check. Go and check. Medical catch was a pressure that will be also. Sata me Shatawale. Any sakwadi. Emma sakwadi akra de nyumbi be crashing. Emma started a trendy advice. Emma ho pressure akra be tall so. Sata suma shata akra koto benz bi. Emma also balances no advice. Emma no kra ba say sa aka no kra no. If you go to Lance's office, it cannot register like a name is fake normal plate. But in your one ameba, but me kaka on some see a kind of topic be say about pen. Listen to me carefully. Yaka a chromia software na omutina omona so mienu a na mo trend power Ghana ha na ye ma no bedi ko bi ene usu bempa na no ne eye oja eja ene oba Emmanuel Bedu Kobi ba. Listen to me. Ba Emmanuel Bedu Kobi ni papa ene usu bempa. But a good baby no and a quiet say boot of boot. What you say all die be die and a montema dey ati. But when we did it for your Christopher, yes, I tell some we are attenful. No. But a small disgusting. And going to take the like small like mami kasuna mentwa komoso way aggressive talk Moscow scantan and gragaga talk. Are you listening to me? I'm talking to somebody. Listen to me. Na adia ba kuni ye ka wo sofo a na wo check class e wo Ghana na ye Emmanuel Bedu Kobi ye ka sofo a na wo check class e wo Ghana na ye Emmanuel Bedu Kobi fine mami ka sofo na we ho asem kire wo Emmanuel Bedu Kobi e obi a wo ye din ba we ye action man ana osu bempa and so ye action pastor action odifo action man because yet say o kan ho asem na o hena ya masa wo radio station ko timitu awo e ka se da ne be cheche won se bi bra biem come again. It's like obepa on chain it come to your radio side and come to talk to you. If it come no hurry is come it come to the pastors come and attack you. Yes say obi ono be kokontokwa or truth on why you're asking papa. Tiasma making Obini on also soon the end say why your passion, something called passion. Say as some hand where one pastor also some hano. So we are dear Tiano. A hano with me is crying and crying. This is the not first time I cry in the church. He cried everywhere. He got to cry radio station. He got to cry police station. He got to cry. Even all house is crying. It's including children and wife, like front is crying. This is Ubini. Like Asam Ham. Because all customers mission. Obi assumption but this pastor or this Odifo, something pin him like it's what is a sinakum. Are you understand me? You get me? I'm giving the point. This is aggressive talk. Listen to me. I'm talking to somebody. Listen to me, Kafri. I'm talking to you. Listen to me. Now, Reverend Obofo Society Amehuni is his pastor. If you like talking to him, assume, but I come and react like say ashimi. Or ya chichi. Obofo ya chichi. Like Reverend Obofo ya chichi. And the Bible tell you radio soon in the TV so. Also Baba your puppy. Baba your puppy or come here the jensen. Ni yaka krom ya nipa o starting say wo check as there. Emmanuel Bedu Kobi. Wo yaka sofo a different premafo e wo Ghana dia Emmanuel Bedu Kobi ye premani. Pay for say sikaniti penny premani tie but ye was ikafo so mo ye premafo. Omo den dia crucify him. Ade be ye latest bia wotobi. Ade ye latest bia wotobi. Emmanuel Kobi car be ye latest. Papa will Toby. TSMU. And in not so what you take a cast in the identity. And many people believe no. And you need to because you know just as cast. What your number car. What your ample car. Car. Are you understanding me? Car. To the dean. What did you need? Now, Satan no reverend about phone chair cars. No opinion and chair cars. Mammy Castle Mitchell, me see me point, yet tell me bedding common. Me say, a obin, and the reverend above four, a santima above four, and common and nobody in name. Wait, me say, wait, I am being so cool. Then the way aggressive talk. I'm talking to somebody watching me. I'm talking to somebody watching me. I'm talking to somebody, your house, your room, your back house, because somebody's watching me in the house or the bedroom and the kitchen. Listen to me. Me a friend or buffalo, a sentiment buffalo. And you will be any dindi opinion. When you're buffalo, when you're angel. Ni day your opinion, you can't opinion pet. Bako pet bam. Kudo, bako pet. You can't a sentiment buffalo, bako pet. Tell me, bako pet. What's I say? When me see a aggressive talk, opinion. When you're angel, when you opinion. Me sure baby am to kwan start free buy. Obinim any reverend obo fon tokwa. Obi o ma won tie say ade na pastor si mi enu kon tokwa. Ba baby start free buy na enie wey aggressive talk. Udwa me kwa e wasem. Udwa me e wasem. Na no kwa na santima bofo no mpo. Me titi no bi say your friend wo manhia. Yes a clutching. E din asantima bofo no ha de ma. Who gave it to you? Also, Nana, but you kumasi, and to be walk kumasi nintina, me did the others, Mamma Hebanafo. Who yas antimabo for? Who ya was on your last one let to free, a santimaho, near Casa Santimaya, you round one as Antene. You petty be about a home. What's it? Satam to me, Necasa. me de atesem o ho de atesem saa na matete o be from say me nkodi adanse ho a me ni no idea no evidence by atesem see a friend man hia nti oba no be yi din asantema bofo ni friend ho so ani o friend ho ti asem yo o betu ni din foforo enti wo ai ye de ye nka bi hiem aye nim se obinim de odi de obinim no start say what divert to obinim to angel to how was oh me pia wo die I'm come to one dream I'm not for starting by say omo di adanse say ampa obinim pie me die obinim pie me die obinim pie me die and obinim ko so wo pie ko for die o ko so wo pie mu wo pie ko for die o pie ko for die yes I say wo pie ko for die mu dia on so ye fra wo angel ti si ada mo fra me angel obinim tio obi di asantima bo for ma bia yakote ne woni ma waba obo tin no so wabredi no see a friend reverend obofo na se di ni wabra ho wabe pie man hye nyina ma di ni wabra ho enti on de Ghana de ye ka se obofo abako pe eno no reverend obofo but sisi de obi foforo pie nkofo da yem tu ye frɛ no so angel obini I'm talking to you me patrol angel you treat in the say angel treat in the say enya obofo but wa branding because that time na obofo so hiti ba obofo 50 years of so na che o 50 years of what on de na o ko ton to ton crusade oh ha was o takwa for me ba na o ko bo crusade kakaka oh ha was priest for me ba na o ko bo crusade kakaka oh ha was sunya for me ba na o bo crusade kakaka this time no no how churches something called churches. Are you understanding me? I'm talking to somebody when I say ha I aggressive talk. Make up baby tie make sure baby asam we start enti edin ho and the problem started say eba efene din akwase obi susu ti be mo anje no obi nim no enti obi e so obofo obi nim enti na akwase abofo na koye mienu ewo Ghana aye confused enti obi pese kumase na so oketia Sata mo bofo wo mfa se mamponte ekwaso ana obi nim susu no ewo anto akwaso na so obi be security ana o ya confused eto ya so me ko bofo hwan bofo be ho no ko reverend bofo ho no ko ana wo ko obi nim ho why aggressive talk I'm telling you truth I'm talking to you I'm telling you truth I'm tell you the truth. Hey, I'm tell you the truth. Hey, I'm tell you. Messi program way. I aggressive talk. Ujami ya wasem. Ujami ya wasem. And you're confused. And the status is how two pastors see. A status say. E ya a problem amaya because oh family din obofo no nti no binim bayi pictures obofo taba nyina ekuta na so dem wotimi kase me betu ampalu otu na na ya kyen ya de suffer went me antu dina what's eti ma refu obofo be jeje TV su kra ka se edin bofo kra no eye small wonyankopon ahenem efe na kwa fight to fight boot or boot and let's say a free trend a free Emmanuel Beduko biso trend na free eye owusu be mpaso every trend na ba be yese eye owusu be eye obinim and the reverend obofo now ha bia na ye ka se punches on punches na obi who say boxing no you will punches somebody's punch you punch me me punch you punch me but e people bro no e mo do see bi die antina ye bet me boxing e bi awie no na obi ani ma mo te sesebe tikwa tekweta afaso no obi ni punch you but me truly no offer punch no na no densi obi ni die enti wo mu a as obi e kire de wo ye bia TV stations na we bia TV station no offer ko bia TV station na obi ni ma bia TV station na offer ko ton radio station menim so obi ni mo radio station I don't know na ye to ma me to fe na ase ye de sika topi enti wo woni sika no twon ho wo woni sika no twon ho ahonna Reverend Obofokoto Roseworth. Say Roseworth was a Roseworth. Car no B. I P channel. Sa Roseworth PRTEXWTWX Roseworth. Okoto kan bi. And to Reverend Obofo the band will be nim kire say. Onso ba koto bi. And onso koto the same car. And the bar Ghana. And we go Dubai. And will be the camera see will be nim so. I will be in Crackers, a kind of tobacco, and a to one. No, because what to sounds was now. What bet Makuma 6. Had more than a year, your friend saying, Yamami, and then would buy. For this will be no down to 2 bizarre. Who said, as I put in the new rap. Oh, there we go. What was it? Are you getting me my point? I'm talking to you. A hormone, never punching by punching. And the rebel for trust in us here. Oh, can I walk on? Or the latest, Roseworth's latest. No, back obinim the art form. And to obinim some kind of obinim Roseworth's be or cotoyano. Yanko ye free habo, yanto when if you ho, can you go, come and suicide because ya person will be who. Ya boy a mokutia. Tiasami, and you're punching by punching. Satamo, near punching. To Reverend for Koto latest Bible, and then as a bro no more thing. Pine a capapano, that's what I said. So do baby who said, Reverend for Peso Koto plane, or Koto plane, something called plane. Say plane. You, I'm talking to you, say plane. I'm learning something. Call say plane. To obin him say of rock for Peso to plane now, and obin him better than the TV so. Your OBTV. I will throw you a phone so. Me person who said, me follow some painful way. What you say? Me follow one cause omo ye sika fo omo ya pastors ya omo ya young boys a omo siso. Obi a betre me 4 years, 5 years. Obi a Reverend Obofo obi ni mo obi no betimi awo me. Obi no betimi awo me. To obi a ye me nua. To me fa se me nua no pay for na me no omo kasa yi. But I don't need to bound somebody the respect man. And to me the respect man one. Listen to me carefully. I'm talking to somebody. Hear me pa. To obey him better TV so. And will be Casasa or Abrochre. Now was so the premier no grandpa bagana. No be my Casa to Subako. Next every day no to Reverend Obofo. I took pressure at the mobile. Reverend Obofo. Punches na no de mo obi ni na no den. Punches no de bia wo tumi money ba ko pepan. No papa na be cheche ni sem bebre. Ti asemi. Enti e course na e game. Oh, asa fie woto na me fa ba an woto ayi agobone. Fie woto na me fa ba an woto ya agobone. Reverend Obofo diga no on as Chinese beat no. Bebebe I was starting say what checkers. Oh, Miss Nipa no checkers will come here. Emmanuel Bedu Kopi. No, started first guy, Papa. Was started second guy, Papa. To was started so what check our money pastors. And then him call for no John Hoshiano. And no your punch lie back home. Pine. A cool binny menu. Pine in the Subarino. And will be say, me no, no. Me no. Me no baba me. Kai. Me no baba me Bobby. No, yes, you could tell Bini Moon was there. A one will be in so bad. I know bar no national home. No, so catch the pastor said, never time cast. As my making, won't catch him some boy. Was hey, we'll be run job on the actual. Won't make our way be a no, mediatel. Won't win, and I'm a boy. Me boy, I won't catch up some boy. Would have a boy, I won't catch up some boy. I will be them super check gas. Next, I own so some bob or so bobo for me. Pine. Now I say punch by punch. Hey, punch by punch. Hey, punch by punch. You say punch by punch. Me say punch by punch. Punch by punch. Hey, program na me. Now I one. Now my can't say picture. It call my be our Ghana. It call Azuma. Azuma is the best boxer. Sometimes they might fight. I'm a kid. Now, if you go to abroad, they might go to fight the abroad. US and Canada, Belgium, everywhere. You're going to fight. Now, a fight round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4. It go to round 12. If I finish that fast, listen to me carefully. The white man come and call it this man's hands, this man's hands. The winner is, it mentions somebody's name. It's not Azuma. Listen to me, it is not Azuma. Why? Say the Azuma is the black person. But Azuma no, who beat that person, opponent is white, he's beaten. All of them they are red hair. You know say he beat him, but through black color, like I can't give the like fight to like winner to Azuma. But the Azuma man say, oh, somebody's buy the ticket. It come inside. It can entertain them from round 1, round 2, round 12. It's normal. Tisane baba dia, sesana mobile dia. Next time, no detain. The Azuma buy it's come back to Ghana. They come a hard training. If for baby mo, if want to detain mo mo, panyan knockout blow. Panyan knockout blow. Or round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5. Panya in knockout blow. Every day, so never come out no kubruni. This is the time I do. Opinion, any reverend or buffalo. This is the time. Tiasemi. Omo kusu cheche cars. Na cars ni kusu ano mo cheche. Say na reverend or buffalo ni nemu. Epe bro bi ba ko pepi. One bro for die. One bro punch. One bro for being next year, Reverend Obo for say, oh, yeah, party. And the birthday to the mother, the person born him, come to this land, this Ghana. It is the breast, that woman for the bottle, for the heart. To a checkers. Are you remember? You check 3 or 2 at this car. Brother Sammy is 1. Man Christy is 2. Achille Blue is 3. It's buy car and give the peoples. On your talk car, no the people na dey. Aka ho. Na dia dance say car ni ya wo dia. O talk car. No the peoples ni na achire. Na say behind the scene no, Reverend Obofo ye hwehwemo mu say, obi nim talk car on for people nkan. To time you to make car. To one dey on check car na. No the people's account. Me say a aggressive talk. I'm telling the truth. Oh yeah, you want address me. You better the car you know. Ni a check the car, but ni a people account. And that car ni any day, any demo. To so be chow car. No one for people account. One chow car. Anytime it can remove. What's with you here? Are you listening to me? I'm talking to somebody. Tell me. To go what you check Kana, the flow be one bro. Say one bro. Say one bro. Say it, one bro. One bro no so ye obi ni makora. A wono na afanso he bebremu. Anu akwati na aso no obi ni meja no kwan. Se kwoti wasore, ana kwaye wasore. E wo techiman. Se one bro so nika. Se me di kaka to se, Reverend Obofo ni name pe punch. Bro ba ko pet te se Zuma. Pan. Ade mo obi ni. To go so no se ha, wo one bro. What did him attempt pe but braha? No one bro so coin. So we show Range Rover. Show Range Rover America what you feel. 2019 me dey show. And what the channel suddenly call fee. And what do papers. Come and say my show paper. And the one bro who say ya check the car. No kasa kakra. A honor and they did knockout blow to Obinim eyes. And they did pressure beto Obinim so. Obinim papa on tebe kasaye. Kakra. Tia semi o kakra me catch you say Obinim obia assumption. Oko deep for the soul. Asam hand. A hand is so is talk. I want to say. Every day I know Obinim. Asam hana. Or pursue bet them in part. Nenny Pahun said, where you good, and I said, where you from Swa, near your quality, and I said, Yaka. And I make me walk, catch him some where you aggressive talk. You can't grow. Are you understand me? To papa, this I or Fred bro. Said, you know, we and you record they no, and you bro the bar out, and you opinion the bar out. At this time, no. Well, also at this time, I'm saying, opinion the voices is about out. And my mom who said, bro, ni pabonini. Tia bro, titi sembi, no one said no about out. And was said your best aqua interview. And when you coffee TV. Ah, coffee TV, blow, coffee TV. Coffee TV, Cocasaye, Coffee TV. I know Coffee TV program. So when I say Coffee TV, so the Coffee One or big platform. Started so you bro interview. Now bro started to cancel. Yeah, see warm and some baby and some Paul and some cross with the yate. So I can't walk in Nadia. Hi, hey. And then 2019, a BT and a BT. TM. Why you interview me now? Now, also, what it? Oh, remember for my man first punch you. And a year broke a cracker. Go punch you in black. Hey, that's what the Obinim said. While friend the pastor, someone ran him. Sunday churches. Was so what were Gunu, Obianco baby. Because one was in the park. Edini hamo ti today bi obi ni hamo ye ni pastors ba ko de asem to so e ka se one ne yira da sa asem na ba ko every bro so ka se wo fri ni nche ko woni nothing wan fa hwe anko bro asem o kan se wo fri ni nche ko ne yire pe ene no to kama no obi ni busa se hey o yire ka na wo to ma no hwan na de ma ho se bi o se wo na wo to ma no kura hwan ne tue o kama onye sika ade ma o yire nche wi asin ni papa ne ni sa obi ni so tutu bi ma ne ho I will not solid them. And what do you say? Obinim say so. Obinim say so. I will not solid them. Dan, Obianya solid what I want. Dan, Esu. Dan Esu, Mammy for call you. A cratty fool. One more copy at the soul. One more sebio, almost per Juma, almost per control, almost pennies. I was a solid demo that come Casano. I'm out for the yaw and the cross on one of that. Or big per Juma when ya and Ocosina Mianim. Many poverty me up one hour whom ya me, and then Yacopo Casa would be called heaven, and will be him. Angel. Only there soon. And nice and from out to Panas if you are from a Cohulato. Yea, Yakasi or young with that. And I am not about to add any of the soon. Obi patanya papa su de dem and e bi ma me fo no we me na sama wo hiyo obi a Yesu aso de wo na sama do me den wo a Yesu aso do fie nya aso de dem Me papa. Me nane. Ene buka su. Ene se mesu. Obi apata na me pre. Obi ni musu de no hototo fam. Awo sori dem ho. Na we ho papa. Now we ho papa. Ehwo na obi ni mbeka se. Game na ekos no. Me pem. Me ntimi biem. Eti na me no ka se me ka to se. Obi ni ma pagya ne sade ama obofo se. Every day game na one ne kono ontimi biem. Because one hwe ni ya. One man sa na ka bro ni ba ko ana me nu ka ho a. Oba kele no. Woni mnyasa papa, obi ni woni mnyasa papa. Boxer dey say wonya sika kakra wo ho a. Na fight bi wona hwene se wontimi antampa redraw fight no. Ne nya ahode bedi usika kakra na wapagwo no. Na obi betumi abom ma wadampam. Obi aba yindo usika. Sika obi ni ma pagu ho akoto da wa brochia ma na yire ne ma no. Wo mo obi medi se sika na otom. Ne dia wa pa no mo obi mesai no. Wose aye wa bre. Wontimi biem mi kodo ada mentimi biem. Mentimi biem abafo mentimi biem. Mentimi no koto ko biem. My bre, I'm tired. Fuck your penny. And watch on. What abafo and time. And what had that come and me banner boom. And what can you tear boom who abafo when to me cast abafo, but was who be, but let me say abafo some work. Let me say, abafo some work, or to me cow abafo the dino. It was saying, when will be shaking it today. And what can come and me vanity boom. More so from when and then one blow pet. I will be killing the whole church. Sunday church a woman was so biakon baby. Biakon baby. Number next week you come the part 2 baba. And then the part 2 baba. Me the part 2 baba. Mammy for see her. Now me the part 2 baba. Me part of so like this program we are. Church was see man so program we. So pe program ya me dia bro ne ya aggressive talk. Ka chem se kwaku de bia fa program we bra me. Tro no wase. Se kwaku mi pe program we. Na week bia me famra we aggressive talk. Mo na me ya bra me se mo bani je ho dia every day, every week me de bi ba bra mo aggressive talk. De be koso Ghana bia sia na be ba bra mo. Ye ni abro okro mi a. Aggressive talk. Then it what must hey, nyanko pombele so what must why you mo scone scan time and gragaga mo scone scan time and gragaga why you mo scone scan time gragaga why you mo scone scan time and gragaga talk aggressive talk yeah
woni ayo we sha wo wo ko no so atade wo otwe mama ma wo da sanya aduane mi wo di wi a wo da se mato so ma wo da sanya ba bi ntina wo be ta konfo sa be wi a wo di ade be sha danim asa di tuwa be fi so God bless you mama that's any e Bible na ko wo ma na aduane di wi ya wo sa ha na bag si a etu na jo da se nja de be hye nanim aka tina wo so so bag wo officer the voice wo be so na voice the bag wo wa tani wo da se ni wo hu da dia wo kwenti no wo be twa ya dey aside thunder by fire oda se ni betimi akoto aduane bla me odu amani ehun bi se re odi aduane ne ba na wodi bibi egun wotin to shi wotin to so piu ba to tina se ni ma mi ni nya akoma yare woni ne ba counseling wo mo ba yesi ape wo mo nyina ato de enje me nipa ma me ni mom no woni okuka mo mamu because ya da se ni ba cho mo tina se ma me ho bless tito so piu mama na komo se mi wu mama sofo etu omo tina se na se mama ti wa komo office free hen mama ko hospital sa hen ko am sister sorry na me ni maame ni nkomo o se maame na me hwe no me na me ne nam se na won to so na wuti gwa yare na wo de maame no anu no na ese e ku no ento se na wuti ya no wo ni mo poison no na se wan ka sa wo na so wo ti to so gwa ya na wuti a e de na besi how you see the traffic was mama enti ebeye day and tell the way ya no ya ne sa what does anything not tell na what does anything for you so when na sia percent o be yam pentu ama no waji ni kuno japade ayo dey mo amone nkofo tete no mo amope na fo sem no mo amode mo wi ahye nkofo mo no kan hu so mo ya dasani tina bible say fa won to nipa no so obetimi adu hwamo obi mo jina so dem ya pe woni ne ya pe ya no okoda na mpedachi ayo dasani di na wa yi for adwuma sma me je office won na wa hye no wo hye obi dem hotel ayo dasani eni pesu tese wa mo mpaya ba wo obi ayo mpaya bo for when you be palo Jesus nanso ni timu de bone nko a e ka no nko na ka wale na gu no abe hye ho because why dasani amani nua ba ma why dasani amani nua ba ma mi ja su na awade be ye wo dasani be ma bra ba wo bo woni nche wo dasani am obi ewie university e di ensa oso da no wusi wonu musuo e wo wie no ase manya se ma no musa oso nsa wie mo no anu no ayo dasani etisi abanya mi fi a enhwe fifire etewo e ko ene ye si obi na dasani na ye si ene ani ana ho wode me yafu tim everybody kai me what dasani bi ama me shaka wa so ni je what dasani bi apoliti wo pase mi ma pa opoli je wona hwe so ye de e ma me the obaka says and the by Oboa Jesus. The platform that we just know what does anybody and I use a platform will be my day as a form.